Hey guys, this is the video regarding how to install Android Studio on your Ubuntu 24. So let's get started. First of all, open your browser and search for Android Studio install. You will basically search, you will basically got two links. One is install Android Studio and the other is download Android Studio app and tools. So open this one. Here it will guide you for installation of Android Studio on different OS like how to install in Windows, how to install in Mac, and how to install in Linux. So here you will find libraries which are required before installing Android Studio. If you are in Ubuntu, you can run this, and if you are using Fedora, then you should run this. So I'm in Ubuntu 24, so I should run this. Just copy this and open your terminal, paste it, and it will install the required dependencies. Still, one of the package is not found, that's fine. Now go to installation page. Either you can download it from here or you can download it from here, Linux, or you can install via Snap Store. For that, go to the Snap Store, click on install, and here you will find the code to download the Android Studio Classic version. This is the same version which you will find here in this page, so they are basically the same. So open your terminal, and just before installing that, just make sure you have Java installed. So Java is not installed in my system, so what I can do is install this. Just copy it and paste it. So if Java is not installed, you can just install it by using this codes. It's not found, so we can just use Java 21. I'm using Java 21, okay. It will take some time. So this is what happening is Android Studio, when we code and run something, we require Java SDK. So we are installing basically Java on this system. So Java is installed. If we click on Java or Java C, it will give us the output that Java is installed. Now we can install Android Studio. Just paste the code and here we go. This will take some time because the file is around 1.5 GB. So here the Android Studio has been installed. Now we can open Android Studio with command Android Studio. This will open that Android Studio and click on don't send. It does basically means that when the app crash or something happen, or statistics like how much we are using, we send it to them, the Android Studio team, or not. So don't send it, we don't need that. And there are two options of installation. One is standard and another is custom. We are going with standard one. Next, accept, next. And Android Studio installation has been started. It will take a few moments. So components are downloaded and now we are ready to go. Click on finish, and now you can create a new project. and you can also customize the theme here, like light theme if you like light theme, dark theme, and there are other themes available here. You can also increase or decrease the font size here, and if you want to use any other language you can use this. Now let's create our first project. You can create the you can choose the path and the project name. Let's call it the first app, and you can choose the path where you want to save this project on, and its Android version means from these versions to the latest version the the app will support these Android versions. Let's finish this. Gradle build is currently running. So now Gradle build is completed and we can run this on an emulator. Here is the device manager and we can run this code here. Start. It will start a local Android emulator and it is starting. This is like a local phone on your computer, and if you want to you can add another device, create a virtual device, and you can add any other device of like Pixel 8 and other phones are available. So you can just choose between what OS file you want to test on. So are you making any Android, if you are making any Android app for anything, you can just choose that particular phone and test that on that phone. Okay, now this is all. The Android Studio is completely installed, and if you search for Android Studio you can reach out here too. Hope so you understood everything, every concept I told you, and hope so you don't got any error while installing this. If you have any error if you got any error, then let me comment down below.